Imagine this. What if a single, humble penny, seemingly insignificant on its own, could, over time, blossom and grow into a substantial fortune, a life-altering sum of money? What if that penny's potential was so vast, it could eventually become bigger than the entire global economy itself? It sounds utterly impossible, a far-fetched dream, but it's all thanks to the incredible power of compounding. From a young age, we're taught the importance of saving, of putting money aside for a rainy day, but most of us only see slow, linear growth, a steady but ultimately underwhelming progression. We focus on putting money away, diligently adding to our savings, earning a few measly cents in interest, a negligible return on our efforts, and often wondering if it's truly worth the hassle. But there's a force, a hidden engine, that doesn't just passively add to your money. It actively multiplies it, exponentially increasing your wealth. It's about creating a powerful feedback loop where your money diligently works for you, generating more income, and then that ever-growing money works even harder for you, accelerating your wealth-building journey. This is the crucial leap from simple arithmetic, from addition and subtraction, to the exhilarating realm of exponential growth. Just imagine, if you doubled a single penny every day for an entire month, you'd accumulate over $10 million in wealth by the time you reach day 31. That's the seemingly unbelievable yet very real magic of compounding. The real question we should be asking ourselves is this: why aren't we all systematically taught to harness, to understand, and to actively utilize this powerful financial engine, this wealth-building system, right from the very start of our financial lives? Most people trade time for money, work more hours, earn more pay. It's a linear equation with a hard ceiling. There are only 24 hours in a day. Even our savings accounts reflect this mindset, growing by a few dollars each year with simple interest. Your money is on a treadmill, moving, but never gaining real momentum. This approach treats money as something to collect, not as a tool that can work for you. Relying only on saving from your paycheck means your financial future depends entirely on your ability to earn. What happens if you can't work or want to retire? The treadmill stops. To break free, you need to understand a new kind of math. Here's the call to adventure, a journey into the world of finance where a hidden superpower awaits your discovery. It's a power that can transform your financial future, turning modest savings into substantial wealth. It's the power of understanding that your money can work for you, tirelessly and consistently, even while you sleep. 24/7, without ever asking for a raise or taking a vacation. This magic happens through the wonder of compounding interest, a concept that Albert Einstein himself called the eighth wonder of the world. Compounding simply means earning returns, not just on your initial investment, but also on both your original investment and the gains it generates. It's earning interest on the interest it's already earned, a virtuous cycle of growth. It's interest on interest, a powerful engine for wealth creation. For example, let's look at a simple scenario to illustrate this concept. Imagine you invest $1,000 at a 10% annual return. After year 1, you've earned $100. Now in year 2, you earn $110, not $100, because you're now earning on $1,100. Each year your earnings grow incrementally, creating a snowball effect that gains momentum over time. In the beginning, the gains might seem small and insignificant, but over time, as the years pass, the growth curve accelerates dramatically upward. Time is the secret ingredient, the catalyst that unlocks the full potential of compounding. So let compounding work long enough, give it the runway it needs, and your money grows exponentially, far beyond your initial expectations. This is the fundamental principle of how wealth is built, not necessarily by working harder and longer hours, but by strategically letting your money do the work for you, generating passive income and building wealth over time. The secret to financial success isn't always a high income alone, it's patience, discipline, and the understanding of how to harness the power of compounding. Compounding's results can be shocking. Take Anna and Ben. Anna invests $200/month from age 25 to 35, then stops. Ben starts at 35, invests $200/month until 65. Anna invests $24,000. Ben, $72,000. But by 65, Anna has about $630,000. Ben only $490,000. Why? Anna's money had more time to compound. The most important factor isn't how much you invest, but how early you start. Every day you wait is lost potential growth. Even small, consistent contributions can become life-changing sums if given enough time. Compounding reframes every financial decision. Are you trading a massive future gain for a fleeting pleasure today? We've seen how compounding transforms small savings, seemingly insignificant amounts, into real wealth, tangible assets, and financial security that can last a lifetime. It's a powerful concept. The greatest tool isn't a high income, although that certainly helps. It's time, the most valuable asset we all possess. And the beauty of it is, everyone has access to it, regardless of background or circumstance. You don't need a lot to start. Even small contributions can make a big difference over time. Starting early is far more powerful, giving your investments more time to grow and compound than starting late with more. The earlier you begin, the less you need to save each month to reach your goals. Open a retirement account such as a 401k or IRA, invest in a low-cost index fund which offers diversification and long-term growth potential, automate your contributions, setting up a recurring transfer from your bank account, and let time do the work. It's a set-it-and-forget-it strategy for building wealth. Compounding isn't just about retirement, although it's crucial for that. It's about freedom, the ability to make choices without financial constraints, resilience, the capacity to weather unexpected financial storms, and options for your future self. It's about creating a life of possibilities. What choices can you make today, no matter how small, that your future self will thank you for? Start planning today. Use a compounding calculator to see the potential impact of your savings. Talk to a financial advisor for personalized guidance and support, or share this knowledge with someone younger. Help them get a head start. Take one step this week, even a small one, to put compounding to work for you. Your future self will thank you for it.